Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're doing well and I hope you're enjoying these sessions and you're understanding the Quran. And while reading the Quran, you don't look at the translation and yet you understand it, isn't it? That's brilliant. Let's keep doing it. There is no room for complacence. We will continue doing it, continue improving, continue, inshallah, mastering it. So today I will do verses 27 and 28. I'll first read it in Arabic without claiming that I'm doing it brilliantly, but just to give you an idea how to read it correctly, well, almost correctly. But I motivate you to look for a better reciter and you will do much better than me. So I'll do it once in Arabic, recital of it, twice the translation of it, again I'll recite it, and then I'll sign off. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Verses 27 and 28. الذين ينقضون عهد الله من بعد ميثاقه ويقطعون ما أمر الله به أن يوصل ويفسدون في الأرض أولئك هم الخاسرون كيف تكفرون بالله وكنتم أمواتا فأحياكم ثم يميتكم ثم يحييكم ثم إليه ترجعون. Sadaq Allah al-Azim. What? You've understood it? To some extent? 30%? Oh, that's brilliant. MashaAllah. If not, don't worry. Very soon it's going to be 30%, 50%, 70%, 80%. That'll be brilliant. Al-Lazina, you already know. Al-Lazina, those who yanquduna, break. What do they break? Ahdallahi, God's promise. That is, they promise, the promise that they made with God. Covenant, promise. Those who break God's promise, mim ba'di mithaqihi. Mim ba'di, after mithaqihi. You know, he means it. It's a pronoun. After it was made firm. That is, the promise was made firm, strong, clear. وَيَقْطَعُونَ, and they cut, they sever. What? Ma, that. Amara, ordered, required. Allahu, Allah. Ma amara Allahu, they cut that God required, God instructed, bihi, about which, an yusala, an that, yusala, it be joined, it be put together. Vayufsidun, and they make mischief, fil ard, on earth. Ulaika, those are the people, whom they are, al-khasirun, losers. They have lost their case. They've lost the battle of this worldly trial. Kaifa, how? You know, when in Arabic you say, how are you feeling? How are you doing? They would say, Kaifa haluk. Kaifa haluk. How is your hal? Kaifa, how? Takfuruna. You can reject. Takfuruna. How do you reject? How can you reject? Billahi, God. How can you disbelieve in God? How can you reject God? وَكُنْتُمْ, even though you were amwatan, dead. Fa, then, ahya, he gave life. Kum, you. He gave life to you. Thumma, then, yumitu, he caused to die. He made to die. Who? Kum, you. Well, let's say he will cause you to die. Yumitu is both present and future. I think future is better. Thumma yumitukum, then he is going to make you to die. Thumma yuhyikum, then he will give life to you again. That is, in the next life hereafter. Thumma, then, ilayhi, towards him, turja'oon, you will be made to return. Turja'oon, inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'oon. You've heard it now. To Allah we belong, and to Him are we going to return. Turja'oon, you will be made to return. Second time. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I begin in the name of Allah, the God, whose mercy is profound, whose kindness is forever. We know it. Allazina, those who yanquduna, break, ahdallahi, promise made with God, God's promise, mim badi, even after mithaqihi, it was confirmed, it was made firm. Vayaqtauna, and they cut ma, that amarallahu, God commanded, God instructed, bihi, about which ayu salah, that it be joined. I forgot to tell you what it is. You know what? Relatives. You can't break your relations with your relatives. Even if they are bad to you, you should not be bad to them. You should try to be good to them and not cut off your relationship with them. وَيُفْسِدُونَ, and they cause mischief fil ard, on earth. Ulaika, those whom they are al-khasirun, losers. They indeed are the losers. Kaifa, how, takfuruna, you can deny billahi, God, how you can reject God, how you can disbelieve in God, how you can deny God. Bakuntum, even when you amwatan, were dead. Fahyakum, fa, then ahya, he gave life, kum, to you. Thumma, then yumitukum, he will cause you to die. That is, he'll give death, cause you to die again. Thumma, then yuhyikum, he will cause you to come back to life. He will give life, kum, to you. Thumma, then ilayhi, towards him, turja'oon, you are going to return. You will be made to return. Right? I hope you're understanding it. So let me recite it again. And this time round, if you understood in my first recitation, 20%, 20%, now it should be 60%. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek refuge in Allah the God, minash shaitanir rajim, from the evil whispers of Satan, ar-rajim, the rejected one. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I begin in the name of Allah the God, whose mercy is profound, whose kindness is forever. الذين ينقضون عهد الله من بعد ميثاقه ويقطعون ما أمر الله به أن يوصل ويفسدون في الأرض أولئك هم الخاسرون كيف تكفرون بالله وكنتم أمواتا فأحياكم ثم يميتكم ثم يحييكم ثم إليه ترجعون. صدق Allah al-Azim. God said the truth. I hope that you will join me again in my next clip, that is tomorrow. I hope you're understanding the Quran. I hope you're having a nice time. I hope you're enjoying your life. And I hope you agree with me that life is incomplete without understanding the Quran. And inshallah, we are going to understand it more and more. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.